Dog. Inhale in slowly here. Nice. Exhale slowly. Inhale, lift the left leg high. Three-legged dog. Exhale, shifting forward, sending that left foot up, lowering the right knee to the ground. When you're ready, sweeping the arms all the way up, Anjaneyasana, lifting the chest. Under heart space, reach the fingertips forward, up and back. Back foot can stay curled under, or you can release that and press into the top. Maybe you send your gaze upward. And then exhale, wiggle the fingertips, bring it down, plant the palms and step it to downward facing dog. Move your foot, so your choice. Find a softness in your fingertips here. It helps for me to wiggle the fingertips a little bit, finding that lift in the heart. Take one more breath here.